People were disappointed by the extent that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 differed from its predecessor, which led to some criticism of Samsung when it was first announced. The Z Fold 4S was even referred to by some, and I can see why. The only visible changes are a redesigned hinge and a brighter display. Otherwise, the design is almost same. However, despite not being an incremental upgrade, the Z Fold 5 does include some rather significant enhancements, particularly in key smartphone areas, as a result of a significant hardware shift. Here's the main reason the Z Fold 5 is light years ahead of rival devices like Google's Pixel Fold. I'll get to that in a second. You see, getting a big screen experience in a small screen format is one of the main motivations for consumers purchasing foldable devices. But if the apps are as ugly, what good is the huge screen? To determine the extent of the problem, PhoneBuff analyzed the top 100 apps on the Play Store to see how many scaled correctly on the inner screen. Surprisingly, the Z Fold 5 scaled all 100 apps perfectly, but only 45 did so on the Pixel Fold. Although it will be challenging given the wide aspect ratio of the Pixel Fold, Google needs time, possibly years, to optimize all the key apps. And the Samsung CEO most likely had this in mind when he said that the Z Fold 5's aspect ratio was ideal. If you're interested in the Z Fold 5 or any of the gadgets that were unveiled during the event, check out this amazing deal. The $270 education discount from Samsung comes with an extra 15% savings. Total immediate credit is $320. Additionally, you'll get up to $1,000 in trade-in credit for a free storage upgrade as well as $150 off the 1TB model. The Z Flip 5 is available with this deal for free if you trade in the Flip 4, which is even crazy. Furthermore, Samsung will give you an additional $50 that may be used to purchase accessories from them. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor for Galaxy is the key update that makes the S23 Ultra, like the Z Fold 5, the largest upgrade in years. The battery life, camera, and thermal heat management have all improved greatly, in addition to the phone's performance, which witnessed notable upgrades. Likewise, with the Z Fold 5, that is what we are seeing. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.